Now that we're done talking about auto rental or car rental centers, we go to another feature that we can see there on the resource network, which is repair center. So from the dashboard there, after the car rental centers would be the repair centers. So this would be a list of all the repair centers that you want your mobile app users to be able to easily locate and use at the time of need. So you can add a new center. And then click on save. Once you do that, you can see that certain repair center that we have just listed on the dashboard as well as the mobile app. Okay, so the name of the repair center is Fix Me Now. This is what just we added. So when we click on show, it will show the name, the mobile number, the address, and the map. So it would be easier for your users to locate this repair center. Thank you.